The more aggressive brightening cleaners are used only in cases where the soil buildup is extreme. First, shut off power to the equipment and ensure that it's off using a voltmeter. Protect the work area to ensure that you're not going to cause any damage. Inspect the equipment and component cleanliness and condition. This includes the blower wheel, the evaporator coil, and the condenser coil. Pay attention to any signs of oil spotting, which may indicate refrigerant leak points. Blower wheel cleanliness is critical for system airflow and proper operation. A dirty condenser coil drives up head pressure, increasing compression ratio and decreasing system performance. When using the Viper foam gun that's connected to the hose, you can simply add the cleaner directly to the gun and select the proper setting on the gun for appropriate dilution. Here's our Viper foam gun guide for each of the cleaners. When cleaning a very soiled condenser coil, it's best to remove the guard completely and remove any of the surface debris with a soft brush, especially in cases when you're dealing with cottonwood, dryer lint, or in some cases, animal hair. First, pre-rinse the coil from inside to outside. Work from the inside out. Generally speaking, build foam from the bottom up. Make sure to work foam in between all of the rows and rinse completely when done. Finally, reassemble the equipment and test safely. If any of the components are still wet, ensure that they fully dry before completing your testing.